Module 13. Speech. You can make your microbit speak by telling it which words you want it to say. Like with the music, you need to import the speech library. Do this using the command import speech. Use the function speech.say, open brackets, and then you can insert the words you want it to say in speech marks. Or you could store the words in a variable and then use the identifier inside the brackets. In this example, line 4 is making the microbit say, "Hello, I'm a microbit." Here's the same output, but this time by storing the words in a variable first words and then using this identifier inside the brackets. You can set a range of settings for the speech output. The first is the speed of the voice output, by writing the speed you want inside the brackets. 0 is very fast, and 255 is very slow. After the word that is output, you need a comma, and then speed equals, followed by the numeric speed you want. The pitch is how high or low the voice is. 0 is very high, and 255 is very low. Pitch comes after speed if you have included speed. In this example, the pitch is set to 100. Throat is how relaxed or tense the tone of the voice is. 0 is not very relaxed. 255 is very relaxed. In this example, it's set to 255. Finally, mouth is how well it accentuates. 0 is as though you are speaking without moving your lips, and 255 is very precise. In this example, it's set to 200. The speech is not perfect. You can improve this by telling the microbit exactly how to say each word phonetically. There is a list of the different sounds in the English language and how these can be written to tell the microbit how to use them. They can be found using this hyperlink. For example, if you wanted the microbit to say the word please, you may write it as PLIYZ. When using these, you can only use the letters on the given list, so you can't just do part of a word. You need to spell out the whole word. You use the function speech.pronounce instead of .say. There must be a hash before the first character, and they must be in capitals. In this example, the word please is inside the brackets with the hash in front of it. It is all in speech marks. Finally, you can set the note that you want the microbit to say the word on and make the microbit sing. To sing, you must spell the word phonetically. You need to decide which note you want it to sing on and have different values. For example, if you want it to sing on middle C, this would be 58. This uses the function speech.sing, and the number comes after the hash and before the first letter. So singing please on this note would be like this example on line 4. By separating different parts of the word, you can make them be sung on different notes. For example, here the ease in please is sung at a higher note than the PL. You can use the speech.translate function to get an idea of what the phonetic spelling might look like. Put the word or words inside the speech marks in the brackets, then output the result. You can see what the computer thinks the pronunciation might be. It's likely not perfect, but it can get you started and you can adjust it as you need to.